Alright, welcome. I want to welcome you back to Space Engineers. My name is Oscar Crow, and we're going to start today where we left off. It was building a mining system for cobalt, so therefore I'm going to continue doing this and see how much cobalt we can get out of the ground today, and put it in a box and put it into the truck so I can take it back to the base. And then I might think about building a ship that can actually do some more mining, since this stuff is so deep. And we'll also keep eye on these Assert cruisers and whatnot. So if we have to, we'll take and build a rocket and deploy that and have a confrontation, see how that goes. So alrighty, so we're off to races. I like doing things in first person here on Space Engineers. So check my hydrogen. I got that. Let's make sure it's all filled up and everything. Don't want to go out and not have it all filled out. I'm gonna put a survivor kit down here and get refilled very easily from the survivor kit. It's been about 2-3 days since I played the game here, so I'll come back to me here a quick minute. All filled up, ready to go. Let's go down and see what kind of damage we've done so far. My bearings here. Alrighty, continue building. Sure I don't have it in creative. Alright, we're not creative mode or anything. So what have we got here so far? Got 3 pistons, or 3 drills. Not really drilled out a whole bunch, and looks like most material is above me anyhow. So let's figure this one out. I think we need to zip them off there, turn them upright, and spread them out some. Got a lot of rock right through here. Most of my ores over there. So how shall I build this? I think I need a couple of drills going upwards to take care of that roof area. And I need my machine not to be logging up on me. Make sure my inventory is empty. Alrighty. Start taking out some drills. Those items in there so they can go up to container on top. And they're not moving. I wonder why. Did something break? That's 100, that's 100. That's 100. Everything appears like it's working there. So let's see if we can get to the cargo. And it's not full, so we should be able to put, there we go. Things going into cargo. Alrighty. Get that drill out there. Okay, where's my drills? On page 6, number 5. See if we got enough room to place them upward. Yes, we do. There's one. Go ahead and weld that one up. That was number 6. Number 5 says I don't have enough steel plate, so let's go get our components back. So need computer, need motor, need steel plate, some steel tube, construction column. Back over here and get our stuff again. And page 6, number 5. There we go. Alrighty, and now we can turn our drills on. Okay. Push them in, see how far in we can go as soon as I get control of the thing again. My computer kind of lags a little bit. Right for that drill, almost got killed. Upside down. Something. On here, just make sure we can go all the way. Oh, what I hit? The drill or something hit the piston. Alrighty. That being like that, I can take the rotator and rotate that in such a way that I can just scratch the whole top in. That would just scratch along there. At 22. And I want to make this a limit of 20. Eight, possibly. till it gets to too far right there. So that's like a negative 326 or something like that. Negative 326. $18.17. So that's like 20. Say 20. That might be too much still. Say 15. Make it reverse some again. What I do here with the piston, change its minimum value, say maybe 4. Have it reverse, so it's pulling out of the area just a little bit. I could put this on timers to rock back and forth like this. You can tell my advanced rotor to take in reverse direction. Oh, it's not liking that. Okay, 15. There we go. Once it gets to its maximum value, you kind of lock it here. Alright. Say 37 is about as far as it's going to get. Reverse the other way. Alright, looks like that's going to be stopped at 14. Okay, so that should be able to rock back and forth as I press reverse. Now all the beauty of this, rocking back and forth and pulling in and out. What I can do now is I can reset drill head so they can drill higher up into there. And imagine I can find out how much inventory I have. In my large container I have 254k of cobalt. And then pull the piston back just a little bit more. 4. Reduce it back to 1. Bring it all the way out. Push it all the way in. Alright, so I don't have an up and down piston. I could have used at least one piston in there. Require me to saw this down, take 2 or 3 out of here and put a piston in there. So that being done like that, all I can do is go back and forth. I really need up and down in here. Or what I could do is abandon this idea and actually build me a ship that can drill down to here. Using hydrogen thrusters and stuff like that. It would take me a little bit. I think that'd be a better idea than what I'm using right now because the ore is so deep. So, reverse this here. Take the cobalt I have because I'm going to need that for multiple things, mostly girders. And steel grids. So turn the drills off. Take my inventory that I got. There's nothing in my boxes. Nothing in my drills. Okay. if I have this big hole right here. What I really want to do. Oh, I don't know. I can push in there and get more drills and have them set up on another rotor and deal with it like that. Page 2, number 7, I believe it is. Put one of these and then a rotator on here and put a couple drills in there. That would allow me to take and get some drills rotating and be able to push them in and out. Okay, what I need, interior plate. Alright, let's go up there and get some energy and some interior plate. It didn't help none. Can't see it better. There we go. I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I have no holes in my windows, do I? No, just back here. Alrighty. Some energy. Okay, got enough energy here. Get some. I need some motor. It's gonna give me a couple hundred. Just motor, stretch cop, that, small steel tube, and some interior plate. Back down the hoe I go. Alrighty. So I need page 2, number 7. One of them. I think I need another advanced drill, advanced rotor. I want to place that like right there. Hopefully I have room for a drill or two. That's on page 6, number 5. Hopefully I got room for it. Room that way. Don't have room that way. Also, I actually want a piston too. So I can dig up in there. Go vertical. What about a hinge? I haven't really worked with hinges too much. Thinking, what should I do? Take time to drill that out. That doesn't give much leeway. Don't push me up where I need to be. I need about 2 blocks higher. That arrangement I can take and do something like that. That'll allow me to sweep back and forth. Make this wider. We can try this idea. So this does for me. There we go. What I'm really trying to do is do this without the nanobots, because with the nanobots I could easily take and get this out in a little bit. And one thing I don't have is a large steel tube. Okay, if I can access, which I probably can't. So I gotta go all the way up to the container. Now I need container and computer and large steel tube. One 100% there. There. Tubes needed. Go up here and pure tube and steel plate. Let's go get me a steel plate. Drop this off. Alright. Okay, with that one, I can turn that drill a little bit, turn it to the side. Oh, get the right one. There we go. This is called build info. What I want to change on it, I want to change the direction. Definitely turn this on. There we go. Turn that one on. Say something point goes 0.01. And find out which way that's rotating. I think that might be just a little bit too slow. 0.1. Should be about 10 times faster. Oh, nope. Still didn't get it. 0.1. Very. Still not changing. Oh, it is. Go back that out and put it like that then. Okay, now it's going a little bit faster. Then it roll it up here to rotor lock. When it gets to the position I want it to be. It's almost a 90-degree. Okay, let's lock it like right there, or just continue around. You'll get more of that right there. I think I might want to turn that drill on, because turn the lock on. Then come over here and turn the drill on. So that's why I have a welding tool instead of a grinding tool in my hand when I take and mess around with things, because we very well had grounded that drill off. It would have been a oops. Okay, bring up the build thing. I'm gonna bring this down. Turn the rotor lock off. So that drill can continue spinning on around. And drilling that all out there. Kinda cool just watching this work. And if I got it too close, I can always extend that piston. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is change that to a negative RPM. Might even note where it's at right now. It'll tell me. It's at 142 degrees, looks like. So the upper limit. Oops. So my upper limit, I'm gonna bring it down to 142, or say 143 degrees. 43 degrees. I take my RPM. Make this a negative value. So it spins the opposite direction. And it should be going the other way. And this one let's see.
Low.
Fuel low. I need to hurry up and get out of here or I'm gonna get stuck.
Fuel critical.
No! Shoot. How about that? There's no way to get out of here without fuel. Unless I dig myself out. So unfortunately, goodbye. Yeah, I guess I'll respawn. Okay. Never fails. I think I didn't have no good tools. See if I don't got no bottles or make some bottles. Oxygen bottles. That's gonna be helpful. Not. Making hydrogen, what I need. I got 3 hydrogen bottles. Okay, control panel, inventory. O2. Alright, let's go and recover my body. That's not good. Okay. Do I got a body location down there? Let's go check that out. Turn some lights on so I can see. Oh, that's working there. Cover steel. I just have 4 bottles. Actually, I think 6. I don't need that many bottles on me. Take these 3, set them over here. Go over here. Yeah, really? There we go. Set them in there. So next time we need bottles, I got some. Okay, since that's went almost all the way back the other way, let me take and stop this right fast. Or, better yet, Work braking torque velocity. Give this a negative value. Let's start going the other way. Tell this one to stop. Oops, wrong one. And I'm going to extend this out. Max distance 10. I'm going to change that to about 5, I think. Do the easier way. There we go. Done. Until it's reverse. See how far in it gets. Now if it's done right, it can go in circles here. Just kind of carve that all out. This one here might just speed her up just a little bit. Might be a little bit close though to the side. Take and move this one around a little bit. Mark where the rotator's lock. So it's on. Oops, not that direction. There we go, maybe that direction. And lock, I'm going to turn off. Turn it back on. Let's see what composition I got now. So I should maybe be able to rotate around and around. You want to live? Be clawing that. That kitty like clawing the back of a chair. It's already on his last chance. Keeps misbehaving, may have to find a new home for him. If from the Midwest, you know that we just got 6 to 10 inches of snow dropped on top of us here last weekend. It's alright me, I'm unemployed, I'll have to go work before everyone else. They gotta go out and play in the snow. Yeah, it looks like I may have to move that drill over just a little bit. It might make it. I think I'll come over here. Just kind of spot right down in that piston there. Save some hydrogen. Kind of watch this. Oh, this may sound a little boring. Oh no! How about that shit? Oh, this has no... It snapped right off there. That wasn't very nice of that. Huh. That's a flawed design. Well, so much for that design. Huh. Off to the drawing board again. Got another idea I can use. Gonna be inventory full. Where's my rig here? Got some idea, but it's gonna take some hydrogen and some thrusters and drills. Take this all down. Rotate on around to me. That's fine. I'll just take this all down. So I've got a new idea. I have to get all that cobalt out of that box. I'll leave all that. I'll go ahead and leave all that, and I'll transfer stuff into my rig here. Make sure that's all good. Let's see here, page 2, number 7. Put one of them on there, and the interior plate. I can't get nothing out of there. Come back here. Right over here. So I'm gonna need some tier plate, some steel plate, some computer, instruction comp. 5 motor, get a few more motor. So what I need to do is build one of these and build a connector there and get me a connector on here. Let's see, can I go up any more? That's as low as I can go. Let's see here. Might want to push that down just a little bit. Number 2 and 7. Go down. We can go out. And put a connector on that one. Now the trick is get this all lined up. Get resources out of here. Looks like I need some construction comp. Alrighty. Looks like I turn it to 270. Okay. Why is it on piston 1? I want piston 1, I want a rotator. Gets to 270, then I'll stop it. Alright, 270. This rotor's locked. Should be facing straight forward, which it is not. Okay. So, what I can do, control 1, 2, control 1, number 2, and put the connector on the front side.
Energy low.
Imagine that. I can deal with energy low for a moment. Okay. Energy 19, no problem. Control my avatar here, find my deal. Where can it be? I know it's around here somewhere. Here we go. It just takes a little bit of time. Alright. And I got 2 connectors all hooked up. Okay, again here. Now, the whole goal of having all that is taking my truck line to that connector over there and get the resources out of that box. So here we go. Try to do this. Come up something like this. Then I gotta venture my way back down to the base. Without losing all my material.